Hello friends, in this video we will write a shell script for generating a report card of the student with his name, roll number, class, marks in each subject and total marks that he has attained. So let us start with the shell script. First of all, we have to create a database file. So we will begin with the cat command to create the database file. So we name the file as db file or we name the file as stu file. Right, and we enter. Now we can enter the details. So the name of the student is Ashish. Okay, let us make it professional. So capital names Ashish Agarwal. Okay, separated by pipe. He is in BCA 1. Okay, and this student, his roll number is 12 and he has secured, there are two subjects. So in first subject, he out of 100, he has scored 90. And in the second subject, he has scored, say, 85. And then we put a pipe to end the line. And then we enter the details of another student. So this was Ashish Agarwal. Now we enter the details of our student whose name is Anita. Okay, again capitals. So Anita Kashyap. Okay, pipe. So she's a student of BCA 2 and the roll number is 13 and she has secured 100 in one subject and 70 in the other subject, and we put a pipe to end the line. That's all. Two records we will put. Now we control D, we can cat our file stu file to see what details have been added. So both the details are there. Now what we want is, we want to write a shell script. So we write vi stu shell dot sh. This is the name that we have given to our file, and in this now we will add the details. So we are in the insert mode right now. So insert, and let me write again var all. In this we will fetch the details again, no spaces. So escape x. So var insert mode, var all. So we use dollar to go to the end of the line. Okay. And append. So var all, in this we use back quotes, grep. Okay. Append equal to back quotes grep. What we want to grep? We want to grep $2 in $1. These will be the command line arguments that we will be giving to the system. And then we fetch the name of the student out of this. How do we fetch the name of the student? By echo var $var all, and in this we cut again the field 1, which is the name of the student, and the delimiter that we are going to use is the pipe. So this is for the name. Then similarly we will fetch the class of the student, and again we will write echo. So in our database file, the class is given in the second field. So we will write var all, and we will write again cut second field, and we'll write the delimiter / pipe, and we will put a back quote again. Then we want to fetch the roll number. Okay, so we want to append at the end. So let us go to the end of the file first. So insert mode, roll number, and what we want to do is we want to perform echo on $val all, and then we want to cut. This is the field 3, and again the delimiter is a pipe. We have to do this separately for each field that we want to fetch. Now again we will do another one. So name, class and roll number have been fetched. Now we have to fetch the total marks of the student. So M1 variable we will use for the first marks. We'll put a back quote echo $var all, and we will use cut again, and we want to cut the fourth field which contains the marks of the student in one subject. Again backquote, and again another time M2, and we will do again backquotes echo and dollar var all, and we will put a cut sign, and we will get the field 5, and the delimiter is going to be the pipe again. So we are just repeating, we are just cutting different fields. Now what we want to do is we want to find the total marks. So for this we will use backquotes expression command, which is used for totaling the contents of two variables. So $m1 plus $m2, 2 marks will be added and the result will be stored in total. Now we will generate the report card. So we'll say echo, and we'll put some stars just to decorate. Escape DD, and we will put quotes here. Insert mode, quotes. Again we want to go into the insert mode, append. We put quotes here, then we write echo name is equal to $name, and then we say echo class is equal to $class, and then we say echo roll number is equal to $roll number, and then we say echo. Again we will put some stars here for decoration, and then escape append. Okay, then we will put echo subject 1 is equal to $m1, then we say echo subject 2 is equal to $m2, and then we say again echo total marks is equal to $total. And we will put codes wherever we have not put them, so that the behavior is not observed. So I want to insert a code here. So I'm going to insert codes. I don't know why it is not appearing. Okay. So escape, insert. Okay. So I'm going to X this, then again insert quotes. Whenever this kind of a problem appears where extra characters are getting inserted, for single character you can press X for deleting it, and for multiple characters or a complete line if it is inserted, then you can press DD for deleting that extra line that gets inserted by mistake. So again we are just putting quotes so that we get proper results. So now we will, like this extra lines get inserted, so we can remove them using the quotes. Now we will save this. Let us see if there are errors. So first of all we have to change the mode of the file to shell.sh, and we have to make it user plus X to give the executable rights to the user. Now we will execute this file. So we'll use, instead of vi, we will write sh, which is the shell is being invoked with this particular script. And now we have to give the database file name, which is to file, and which student's record we want. So suppose we want Ashish, so we'll write Ashish here. When we enter, so we get the total marks of the student. Our student name Ashish Agarwal, class this, roll number this, subject 1, subject 2 marks, and the total marks. And if we change the name of the student to Anita, we will get the details of Anita Kashyap. So again, this can be used as a mini project, and I hope this video is useful to you. If you find my channel interesting, please subscribe and refer it to your friends. Thank you very much.